right, guys, here we go. Thursday, July 22nd, looking at the 2-minute chart of AMD Advanced Micro Devices. And we were looking for a little, because of a time count here, looking for a little reversal, a pop, maybe a backfill, possibly up to the 20 again. And this is a double top, and it had a potential reversal candle. And then obviously the shorts came in and drove it down. And we're going to see here in about 10 seconds if we drive up over the high of our current candle, because we have a nice bottoming tail. We're on a time count as well, so we might get a push back up here. Okay, we're in 1,000 shares long on AMD. The reason why I emphasize long is most times we're short. As you can see, a nice little downdraft here. We love those short positions, but you got to play the be able to play the longs as well, and we will see where we go. Meaning, we're looking for a push to the upside, and we just got in on a market buy. There's only like a cent difference between the bid and the ask, so we're not going to get hurt too bad when we do those market buys on these little day trades here. And mainly these day trades, they're just, people like to see them. Let's see here, we had this down trend line that was broke as well. But anyway, people like to see them and, see people, work these charts like this, calling the reversals. And then we're going to see if we can't get some push up. Now, we do have a little bit, I'm going to bring this resistance line down. This, quite a bit of sideways consolidation, which was all resistance for a while until we pushed up pretty nicely on this candle, and then just backfilled, nice reversal here. But we stayed, in this upper range of the of that bullish engulfing candle. Then we were able to come up here and do that little double top before it came down. So we have about 20 seconds left on this current candle, and we'll see if the momentum is still going to go to the upside. Now, we do have a little pivot here when we did a 180 red green, then 180 to the upside. But I'm looking for it to hit a stronger resistance area, which to me would be this kind of brick wall here where we place that red dash line, and possibly we come up and actually tag that 20 again is what we're looking for. But anyway, let me put this on pause, and that way you're not watching paint dry. Well, here we go. We're getting a little lift off here. And let me put it on pause, and then when the action picks up, we'll come back in, because people like these videos, short and sweet, and we're already 3 minutes into it. So let me pause it, and we'll come back in here. Okay, guys, we're back, getting ready to, this candle just closed, getting ready to pop a new candle, and we'll see if we can get a thrust up into that resistance area. Looks like it got a little scared before even attacking it, but we'll see. Or we could end up with a pause candle here. In other words, a red candle, put in a red candle, and then push to the upside. So we'll see. Of course, we're going to need a nice reversal. It just took out the previous candle that we closed, which is bearish. But we haven't closed this candle. We still have a minute to go. So that's half the life of that current candle. So anything could happen. So let me put it back on pause, and then we will pick it up, when we get close to the close of this candle here in another minute. All right, guys, we got about 20-something seconds to go. Let's see if we can push up there. Okay, let's see if we can get one more push. We got about 2 seconds to go. Here we go. And might be a reversal. Okay, we're not pushing up, so we're going to go ahead and take it here. We're going to go ahead and just mark it sell. And just as we did that, it pops. We'll see. We'll still see if we come up. There we go. Okay, that's what I was looking for. But we weren't, it wasn't continuing up, so I was a little nervous about, sitting there watching it. But we did pop. There we go. And then we have another minute, 20 seconds left on this candle. So let's see if we reverse. Now, technically, what you would do after hitting the 20, you would have gotten out, then changed your buy order to a sell order, go short there. But obviously, I definitely wasn't fast enough to do that. But that's what you normally do. But you could still, come down, go short, as you take out the bottom of the candle that we're currently on, especially if it closes. Now, we still have 40 seconds to go, so anything could happen here. But the lower it closes, and the higher the wick, the sell-off wick, plus hitting the 20 there, the higher the odds, higher probability that you could roll, down to the downside, and this was just, a high, low, a lower high, and then once you take out this lower low here, it would definitely drop probably down to the 200. But the last 9, 10, that's what I was telling you earlier. We had 40 seconds, whatever it was, that anything could happen, and then here you go, you're back trading positive. So anyway, well, that's why you got to wait till get some confirmation. Wait for that candle to close. Even on the 2-minute chart, you can't get too, what am I thinking? You can't get too confident, overconfident here, thinking you're gonna know which way it goes, and need to hang in there and watch to the end, so to speak. And then we'll see as it comes down if this previous resistance wall holds support, and then we could get another liftoff here in the near term. But okay, guys, thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for being members, and we will see you on the charts.